Hello foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something really special lined up for you. Gobi Manchurian. It's that wonderful blend of Indo-Chinese dish where crispy cauliflower florets are tossed in Manchurian sauce. So let's round up our ingredients. 250 grams of cauliflower or gobi, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, some minced ginger and garlic, 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. First things first, let's prepare that cauliflower. Cut the cauliflower into 1-inch florets for that perfect crispiness. Now on to cooking the cauliflower. Heat water in a pot. Sprinkle in some salt. Add in cauliflower florets and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Drain and set aside. Grab a mixing bowl and toss in your all-purpose flour, rice flour, corn flour, salt, Kashmiri red chili powder and just a hint of pepper. Give it all a good mix. Add those parboiled cauliflower florets into the flour mix and toss until evenly coated. Splash in just a bit of water to lightly coat them. Next up, heat up some oil for deep frying. Fry those cauliflower florets until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Drain excess oil and set aside. Now on to the sauce. In a bowl, combine Schezwan sauce, soy sauce and tomato ketchup. Mix thoroughly. In another bowl, create a corn slurry by mixing 1 tablespoon of corn flour with 2 tablespoons of water. Set them aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Toss in your minced garlic and ginger and let them sizzle until they are fragrant and golden. Now add in your prepared sauce mix and give it a good stir. Pour in the corn slurry to thicken up the sauce. Finally toss those fried cauliflower florets into the sauce until they are all evenly coated. Sprinkle on some fresh coriander leaves and spring onions for that extra burst of flavor and color. Your delicious Gobi Manchurian is ready to be devoured. And remember to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!